Sponsored by Panasonic. Smart factory solutions for any mix, any volume. Introducing the new NPM W2S, the ideal placement solution for manufacturers who value reduced setup and changeover time over volume.
Welcome to the MicroCare booth here at IPC APEX. Delighted to be joined by Tom Tattersall. Nice to see you again, Tom.
Nice to see you too, Trevor. How are you today?
I'm good. You know, we've put a lot of videos in, but you know, we're delighted to be here with MicroCare. Now, I want to talk today something about your process validation, because you make a lot of cleaning chemistries, but it's important that these chemistries work correctly with the different alloys and flux chemistries that we get across the industry. And I believe you've done some specific work in this regard. Can you talk to us about that?
Oh, it'd be my pleasure. We've done a lot of specific work over the last year and a half in a study where we worked with many of the leading flux and paste manufacturers who came to us as we were talking with them that they get asked what chemistry on the bench will clean their flux or paste or whatever that's on their board. Mm-hmm. So we ran a study with their assistance and independently verified specific MicroCare chemistries that will work with each specific flux or paste, not only on the bench, but we took a step further for the automated vapor degreasing chemistries we offer the marketplace. Okay. So now, working with us, regardless of what you're using, grade specific, we have some choices for you that'll make it easier for them, our customers, to validate their process.
So what sort of test parameters did you use? I mean, what specifically did you test for?
Well, we specifically tested is how clean is it after we run it through the cycle. You know, we use the trigger grip where we can wet, scrub, rinse, and dry, and then, of course, a vapor degreaser. We verified it to the IP standard 610, a lot of visual inspection, as well as doing ionic testing on it.
You've done a lot of the major suppliers out there. I see from the brochures you have in front of me, we've got Indium, Loctite, Alpha, AIM.
And Kester.
And Kester, okay.
Yes.
All right.
And
so
we got two more in the works, which we hope to have out in the next couple months.
Okay, great. And presumably these guidelines have been rolled out across all the MicroCare facilities across the world.
That's correct. They're global in nature. All MicroCare facilities have them, and our strategic distribution partners have them as well as they need it. Okay. And it's been part of what you've seen us been growing. We've now continued to expand our technical capabilities in our lab in Connecticut, and also as we move over into Singapore and Asia and Brussels and the UK.
Now, all your facilities outside of North America, I mean, are they sales and distribution areas, or do you have lab facilities with these as well?
Our first lab facilities, we actually have a small lab in Singapore and a small lab in China, and building one in the UK as of now.
Great.
Yeah,
great.
we're excited.
You're excited.
Things are well at MicroCare, Trevor. It's always good to see you.
Great. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Okay.
Take care.